Hello, what time of the day is best for me to place orders when it comes to swing trading? Well, for me, I found my lunchtime, midday, to be the best time for me to place my swing trading orders to buy stocks or even to sell stocks. And I will say your best time is the time you are available to be able to place those orders. Last week, I tried to do it early in the morning before the market opens, and I think none of those orders that are placed to buy stocks went through. I set the bid price to be the price, and I set a limit, and just and around my lunchtime, I checked them. None of them were purchased, if I recall right. And then I update the price, the limit price, to be the price it was selling around that time, and few minutes later they were purchased for me. So I I found, if you take lunch around noon, the market is open around that time, you log in and you place your orders. You set a limit price, and if you want those to be purchased for you that day, you can set the price that it was selling around that it was selling or buying around that time, the market price, but you set a limit on it so that it does not buy at a higher price but can buy at a lower price for you. So because of we are going to look at a GWW as of June 1st, 2026, to analyze. And because we are using long option and swing trading strategy, where when we are buying stocks and where we are selling, there is quite a bit of months between. Therefore, what time of the day we place the order becomes irrelevant over time. But depending on the swing trading strategy you are using, it might be more important for you to find the best time of the day. You'll find maybe the best price to buy, or most likely to buy. For instance, in 2024, when I was using short option and swing trading strategy, buying and selling every few days, it matters to me how much I paid for it that day. Because, for instance, I was facing up where I purchased, I was facing down where I sold. So, and we are on a daily chart here, purchasing it and selling it 2 days later, I will only have few dollars profit there if I purchase few shares. So therefore, a small growth in it, if it matters, if I pay a small price, I'll have a higher profit. So therefore, it is somewhat important. And sometimes there are few instances that I purchase it and the next day or the day after I sold it, but a lot of time there are few days between. If it went up from where I purchased it, but if it falls down, like in this sense I purchased it here and it pulled back down, I will get stuck in it for a while before I sell it. And I end up selling it here. So purchase it there, got um stuck in it and sold it there. So, and yeah, short, if you are holding it for a short period of time, the price you are paying for it might matter, because you want to make profit from day one by buying it at a very good price, so that you know you can make a good price with you can make a good profit within days. But with the strategy I'm using, when I'm buying and I'm waiting for a longer period of time, in here, when I bought it there, it went down a little bit and then went up and then I just sold it. And every single buy is a day time frame. So I sold it within a week. But then I purchased it there around this support line in 2025. It pulled back. I purchased it again here. It pulled back down. I held on to both, and I saw them when it reached all-time highest price. And months apart, we have the dates on the x-axis from the past to the present, and the price on the y-axis from $0 up. So, and in 2025 in 2026, I'm using long option and swing trading strategy, and I'm buying it, hold on to it, but I want to buy it at the valley line, at the lowest point. Is willing to go to rest there before start climbing up again, and buy around that lowest price. And then from for that new cycle that it will start, and then evaluate if I want to sell it after all-time highest price is reached. So that is the strategy I'm using, and for that reason, how much I'm paying for it the day I'm buying it is not that relevant, because it's going to go way past that area, and I'm okay leaving some money on the table. Therefore, I'm not looking for buying it at the lowest price it will be that day necessarily, but I just want to I have a small window to check my account and place those orders. Therefore, I just found the launch time when the market is still open to be the time I can actually place the order, look at the price is selling, and place that order, set that price, but set a limit that it does not buy at a higher price, because there could be few seconds to few minutes from what I'm seeing and what is actually going on the market. If the price went up by then, therefore I just set a limit and put that price that I found that it was selling or buying at that time. I say the price, and then just place my order, and the brokerage firm will do the rest. But that is what seems to be working best for me. But what would be best for you could be different from what is best for me, because your strategy could be different from mine. So based on your strategy and how you swing trade, when is the best time of the day that you found that is best for you to place your orders? When it comes to GWW, is a little bit down from the top of the mountain, but I have those two support lines that I want to buy at. So therefore, it's nowhere near any one of those, and I'm going to wait on it until it gets there. So thank you so much for watching our videos. We thank you very much for your time. Thank you for all your comments. We thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, creator of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, and in sub.com our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence. And swing trading could be another stream of income for you, but just start small and grow your account from there. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional trader. I just swing trade in my husband and I joint account, pursuing our goal of financial independence, and like to share my learning experience, my skills, what is working for me, what is not working here with you, so that tips you find useful, you can improve on those and use them in your own financial success journey. Will you please use our information at your own discretion, and please practice caution. For more swing trading videos in this series, will you please check the playlist How to Start Swing Trading Step by Step Using Long Options in the description of this video. And this video is brought to you by our online store, Liberman.com, where we sell a cloth tote bag, cloth napkin. So if you are looking for those household products, will you please check our online store, Liberman.com. Thank you so much for your time. Happy swing trading.